Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. So the video today is on this really rusty, really piece of, really is in really bad shape. 2010 Mitsubishi. I think this is the L200. It says Barbarian on the side, but I think this is the L200. And I don't know if you guys suffer from the same problem, but I do really hate when people does this to me. So she dropped the car today. I was at work, texted me saying she left me the car, put the key through the letterbox, and if I could also have a look at the another two issues. And I said, look, you only asked me to look at one thing, but she said, oh please, but why people doesn't ask everything at once? I think the idea is that, oh, once he's there he will do it, but I really hate that because it just messes up all my plans. But anyway, the first bit she asked me is done, so theoretically I could just say pick up the car. But you know what I mean? So this is what I mean when I just said it messed up all the plans. So the problem with the car, and which I just finished, I didn't record it because it was purely labor, was to replace the prop shaft. There was a confusion between drive shaft and prop shaft, but in the end was the prop shaft. So this is the original prop shaft, which you can see there. It's in really bad shape. Look at that. Look at this. It's completely destroyed. Look. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. Look at that. Yeah, it was completely gone. Unfortunately, the replacement they brought me, the center bearing, was completely, look at that, was completely collapsed. Completely gone. So I could not just replace the whole thing. I ended up having to split the prop shaft in half and reuse this part from the car, even because look at this. I could fix this, I guess, but it's completely gone. So I ended up reusing the original, this section, original from the car, and including the bearing, because it was in way better shape than that, and just replaced that part. So all back in place, all done, and now we're going to move into the next problem, which I'll show you exactly what it is. But just before I show you what it is, let me just show you. I don't know if it's going to make into a video, but look what I have here. Yes, it is a 63 V8 B-Turbo. Wow. Do I go for a drive? No, I'm not going to risk it. But indeed, really, a really beautiful car. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. So, really nice, and it sounds beautifully. It sounds absolutely amazing. Anyway, we're gonna work on this thing. Right, so the problem with this now, let me show you what the problem is this. Now I can drive it because the prop shaft is back on. But I'll just turn the ignition on, and what happens is this. Look at the wipers. I don't think it's coming up on camera. No, it's not coming up on camera really. I was trying to show you this, but no, it's not doing it. But basically the wipers don't work. When you turn on the wipers kind of just flicker a bit, but they don't really move from where they are. So I don't know if they are seized, whatever. We're gonna have a quick look, try to figure out what's wrong, and yeah, that's gonna be what this video is gonna be about. Okay, and I sped up things a little bit because weather is not helping, but as you can see, here's my problem. So this linkage here, you can see it's completely full of water inside. It came out of that sort of ball joint in there, and the motor was really hot because this was trying to go that way, but was, yeah, I hurt myself, and that was touching right here at the back, at the bottom there. Look, you can see the mark in there was touching, you see? So the motor was struggling to push it forward, and that was overloading the motor, or at least maybe not overloading, but was definitely forcing the motor. Close this. So yeah, we're gonna try to see if that clips in okay, or if that's loose and it's going to come out again. I'm not sure how we're going to do this, but we will figure out a way. So I don't know if this is going to work, but this is what I've done. So I literally hammer the crap out of this ball joint sort of. So as I hammered it, I pushed it down and I bulged it bigger. So now is a really tight fit. So I can't really show you, maybe. I'm gonna have to push this in now. Oh, I already put grease on that, as you can see, but you need to push it really hard now because it holds pretty good. Oh, I'm gonna need both hands for this, but I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. So we're gonna give it some good test. While I put these covers back on, I'm gonna get these wipers running, make sure nothing drops. And in the meantime, I'll explain you why I do it like this, or why I've done it like this, because as I explained to you, this was not even to be a thing. I was not to do this job. I was only asked for the prop shaft, and therefore it just threw all my plans out of the window, because that one needs to be done tomorrow, and this one was supposed to be done, and this was supposed to be done for tomorrow as well. So yeah, but as you can see, look at that, beautiful. So while I put the covers, I'm going to leave it running, make sure it doesn't drop, but I don't see why it would drop now. It looks okay, but yeah, basically I don't have time to do anything else. I have no chance I'm going to be able to get parts tomorrow. As I said, I need to do that one tomorrow. So I had to do it like this to get out of trouble. But again, she never told me about this. Otherwise, I would have told her to come. I would have a look at this. Need parts, then she could bring me another day. People play games, I play games. Obviously, I will tell her what we did, and I'm not going to guarantee none of this work. It is what it is. But I'm quite confident that that is not going to drop. And sometimes it's just thinking out of the box. So let's going to put everything back on and hopefully wrap up this thing. A really quick video here. All back in place. Just going to show you the tow bar. I think that's what she meant about the tow bar, is that there is some wires exposed, if you can see, but there's no broken wires that I can see. So the wires look good. I don't know if that's what she meant. Well, I don't know. I might just wrap these up and that's it. I think that's what she meant. Look, I already did more than I was planning to. So let's gonna give it a test. Haha! There we go. Beautiful. Sweet. Job done. Getting a little bit. That's it. Job done. So in the end we managed to fix it. Obviously, guys, there's no questions that this would deserve a new wipers mechanism, but it's one of those things. It might be that lasts. I thought that was off. Now he's off. It's one of those things that might last a week, it might last a day, it might last a year, it might last, judging by the state of this thing, it might last the rest of his life. So, but yeah, so that's it, guys. Nothing really special. I just thought to cover that quickly here. A little bit of thinking out of the box, try to fix something. And that's all this channel is about sometimes. So enough of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do still have any questions or any comments, you know exactly how it works. Just put them right below. And like always, thank you for watching.